Hi, this is Keith Preston, the attorney here at Preston Law Office. The topic of today's video is how long do I have to probate a will? This will be a very short video because the answer to that question is you have 5 years from the date of death of a person to probate a will. You have to wait 5 days after the death of a person in order to submit their will for probate. That isn't normally an issue. People aren't usually clamoring to get to the courthouse to admit wills to probate. But you do have 5 years in which to probate that will. Now, I've had many situations where for one reason or another, we are beyond the 5 years and we're not going to be able to probate that will. What do you do then? Well, you can either open an administration, or there's a thing called an administration with the will annexed, which is basically opening an administration, but you're admitting the will and you're following the provisions of the will. You're just doing it under an administration as opposed to an estate. Really, this has to do with having to post a bond and having some reporting requirements and having to get permission of the court to do various things as opposed to having been relieved of that through the language of the will. I hope this video has been of some use to you. I'd be glad to discuss these matters with you further. You can contact me at the phone number and address that appear on this video. Thanks for watching the video, and thanks for visiting PrestonLawOffice.com.